Hello dear guys, we have got another good speaker who can speak in English smartly. What's your name?
My name is Badsha.
Badsha.
Ji.
Okay, are you from Dhaka University?
Yeah.
What is your department?
My department is philosophy.
Philosophy, same
Yes,
department.
my friend.
What is your home district?
Rajshahi.
Rajshahi. So do you sometimes speak in English with your friend?
When we were a first year student on that time, we practiced. But recently I took part in LTS exam and
What is your score?
6.5 overall.
So do you think it's a very good score?
I think in the context of Bangladesh, I don't admit it to any particular coaching center. In my own effort, I have achieved it. So I think that I'm satisfied about my result, and 6.5 is acceptable all over the world.
So you can be a teacher because you can open a Facebook page and YouTube channel. You can declare I got 6.5, so I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I can
No.
teach.
I think that
So he has qualified IELTS exam successfully. So your QCAT topic is now Dhanmoni Lake. Okay. Do you like Dhanmoni Lake? Do you go there frequently? How is the environment? What is the specialty of that place? You can think 1 minute.
This is the first time I have completed my visit, and it is really outstanding. Especially the natural beauty, and you know that in Dhaka city it is consisted of people and big building, but it is exceptional because trees are not available anywhere, any place. I enjoy this place, and this weather condition also good. And many people enjoy their passing time. Someone are gossiping, someone are taking a photograph. So I think that it is one of the exception place in the Dhaka city, and I enjoy it. I determine that if in near future, if I get free time, I will enjoy. I will come here and pass my quality time with my friends or others.